Hey, how's it going everyone? It's Microwave Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your NAND backup file that you created when you first installed Homebrew. And of course I recommended that you create a NAND backup file, but what and how do you go back to that NAND backup file and restore your Wii back to that condition that it was when you first created that file? So first of all, you're at the Wii menu and you turn your Wii on. You want to go into your Wii options and your data management, because of course when you're reverting everything back to your Wii to that date, it obviously doesn't have all the save files that you've accumulated. So of course you want to save these files to your SD card, and if you followed my directions and installed preloader and you use the hacks that preloader offered, such as the copy everything hack, you will be able to copy over to the SD card. So first off, I know that all of my games over here have been part of the original hack when I restored it, so I'm just gonna copy the one game that I've played since I restored my Wii. So this is Xenoblade Chronicles, and I played this game, and it is the only one that is new from when I restored my Nintendo Wii a day ago. So after restoring it, of course, you're done. It's onto your SD card. You want to back out, and then you want to eject your SD card right now. So I'm gonna go to my computer right now and see what's up with my SD card, copy the Wii files. So back on your computer, you've inserted your SD card through an SD card reader or an SD card memory slot that your computer or laptop has, and once it's in, you want to go to computer, and then you want to see that your SD card is in with maybe your applications or whatever you have it on there. So I have all my Wii applications on there right now, and all I want to do is I want to do Control A to highlight everything, and then I just want to copy them or cut them, and it doesn't really matter. And then I copy them, create a new file on the desktop because I want to have it in a safe place, and then I'll just call it my Wii files. So over here I'll just double click it, and then I'll paste my Wii files into it. So then of course it's usually big, and then you have to wait a while, so I'm just gonna speed through this and then give you the rest of it after it's done copying. 2 minutes, on my computer it's great. So I'm just gonna speed this up right now. Okay, so now after it's finished copying all your files, just so you have it safe, you're done with this computer part. You just X out of it. All your files should be over here in the Wii files folder that you created, and then all you need to do now is go to computer, and then you see with your Wii SD card, what you want to do is you want to format it because you want it empty for the next process. To do the NAND backup, you want the SD card completely empty, and by doing so you can initiate the Bootmii properly. So formatting it, quick format, completed. So then after doing that, what you want to do is you want to go to where you put your backup files. And I know that I said to put up the backup files in your computer, and I put the backup files in a special folder named Wii backup files, but for you guys, I don't know where you put your backup files, but you should locate to the place, because I remember that I told you guys to save 3 specific files. So let's go check them out and find them. So first of all, I'm gonna have to see where I put mine, and I know I had it in a specific folder, and let me just go get that. So I am going to my folder that I put it in, and it is over here. So here are the 3 files that I told you guys to copy: Bootmii folder, keys.bin, and nand.bin. And what you want to do is you want to copy all 3 of these files and then put them in your SD card. So going back to computer and then going back to your SD card, you just want to paste them in, and then that's it. And just wait until it's done. But once it's done, all 3 files should be completed, and you are ready to do the NAND backup. So I am just gonna speed this part up. So okay, so now all my files are different. I mean, they're all done copying into it. So you got your 3 files, bootmii, keys.bin, and nand.bin. So all you want to do is eject your SD card for safety precautions, and then it's all good, safe to remove it. And then you should just put it, make sure that your Wii is off, right? And then you just want to put that SD card into your Wii and turn it back on. So let's see what happens when you do that. So on booting my Nintendo Wii with the SD card in it, and it has those 3 files, it automatically boots up to this bootmii thing. So if you remember this is where bootmii started, and this is where you should have made your NAND backup file. So all you need to do is your Wii system is now your controller. The Wii remote will now shut off and it will not be working, and GameCube controllers on the other hand will be working. But what I like to do is I just use the system itself to control whatever I want to do. So power will mean to go right, reset will mean to select something, and I believe eject is to go left. So right now I'm just gonna do power, 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 and I'm gonna go into the gears thing, which is the settings pretty much, and I'm gonna press reset. And then you see the image where the SD card, it has a red arrow going to the Wii. Pretty much this is signifying that the SD card will dump its contents onto the Wii, and then RestoreMii, which is what it's called, will restore your Wii to whatever the SD card's NAND backup file has on it. So by pressing reset, it should start. It says RestoreMii will first run in simulation mode to show you what the files are going to look like and how it's going to look. So then you press reset again, and then see over here, it's going to do a simulation where it shows you which files are pretty much being changed and which files are processed and everything like that. And you just have to wait this while, and it's gonna take about approximately like 8 minutes or so, and it's a kind of a long while for those who are impatient, but you know, you gotta wait if you want to restore your Wii. And the good thing about RestoreMii is if you get like a theme brick by doing something, or if like the Wii can't even turn on or something like that, the RestoreMii can always help you, because what it does is it initiates your bootmii before everything else on the Wii can even start up. So pretty much bootmii is the thing that's starting up at first, and this is why everybody suggests to even get bootmii, because it's a lifesaver. Sometimes it just saves Wiis. Sometimes if you have like some problems with your Wii, like games are freezing and things like that, you just restore it, and then the Wii works like new. So it's a really good thing to use. So I am just gonna skip the simulation, and then I'm gonna show you the real thing, and then you know, I'm gonna show you the final product, and that's gonna be it. So let me speed things up again. Okay, so now that the simulation is done, I'm gonna go and start the real restore. And I'm going to restore my own Wii to show you that this is a legit method of restoring your Wii using the NAND backup file. So it says to press start eject to start the real restore, or any button to exit. So eject, see that? It's eject, not reset. So press eject, and then after you press eject, it's going to make the ejecting noise, and then it says RestoreMii started. Do not power off. Definitely do not power off. And right now what's going to happen is RestoreMii is going through all the processed blocks, as you can see by the green blocks, and it's going to go and restore those blocks so that the Wii has all those blocks in it, and it's going to restore back to how you put it in the NAND backup. So right now it's just a matter of waiting, and then I'm going to speed this up and skip it, so then you can see the final result and what to do after. Okay, so now everything is done and it is successful, you know. It's restored, so it says hit any button to exit. So I'm just gonna hit the eject button, and then see over here, it's back to this menu. So how do you get out? You press power 2 times to go into the arrow, and then you press reset to select the arrow, and then you press reset again to select the Wii menu. And let's see what my Wii has turned into. So it's coming back on right now, and now look at that. It's like I never even hacked my Wii with, well, Softmod my Wii. So look at that, it's white again. See what happened to all my channels. Everything is back to normal. So you see, that's how you restore your Wii. So it's very useful in case you ever have like any problems with your Wii. And I hope that this helped you for people who have been asking me. So thanks for watching, everyone. Just please rate, comment, subscribe, and subscribing will help a lot, you know? Okay, so see you guys.